everyone, back with another keto recipe. Here we've got hamburger helper, a stroganoff, and it's 2 servings. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pack of the shirataki fettuccine noodles, heavy cream, beef bouillon in the cubes or the powder, pink salt, pepper, a fry pan with cover and spatula, a half cupper, and a tablespoon. Start by cooking up your ground beef, breaking it up into bite-sized pieces, and adding heavily pink salt, light on the pepper, and then we're going to cover this and turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. While that's cooking, let's wash up our shirataki noodles under cold water. And you really want to get in there. Use your hands, wash it around for at least 3 minutes to get that smell off, and then use kitchen scissors to cut it because the noodles are pretty long. Once the hamburger is cooked, you want to strain it, put it back on the stove, and then let's add our ingredients. Add all of your noodles, a half cup of the heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of the beef bouillon powder or 2 cubes, a little bit more black pepper, and then give this a good stir. Then we're going to cover it and keep it on a medium heat and let it cook down for about 3 or 4 more minutes. And then it's ready to serve up. I have made it into 2 servings. I've added Parmesan cheese on top. And as you see, there's the photo there. Absolutely delicious meal. Even your kids will love this. Definitely make it up. And it is only 4.5 net carbs a plate. You can't beat that. Definitely make this recipe, and I hope you guys are enjoying all of my recipes. And remember, during this pandemic, let's always keep it keto.